So we bought this selfie light, flogging light. Well, wouldn't really call it, was it? Nah, it's not really a selfie stick, really. It's not really that portable to carry around, is it? Yeah, more of a flogging light. So you can clamp it to your desk, or yeah, I wouldn't really call it a selfie light. £5, you know, on the market. £5 on the market. I thought, let's see what it's like. It's only £5. Could be rubbish, but the box looks quite promising. It does. So let's check it out. So there it is. Instructions there. So hopefully this should make my videos a lot brighter, more professional. Hopefully. Let's check this out. Right, so here it is. Let's unwind it. So here's the light bit. There's the clamp, and this bit holds a smartphone. That bit. There's my phone. See? It clamps it well. You can use that to change the angle. And this bit can clamp on the desk, wherever you want to clamp it. It's USB powered. It's a USB cable. And there's a little control remote here. Right, we're going to clamp it on somewhere and test this out. Angle that there so you can see the light. And we're going to plug this USB cable in. Let's plug it in. I guess you can plug that into a power bank as well, you can. So there it is. The remote glows blue. The camera's finding it hard to focus. There we go, there we go. There we go. Come on, focus. Alright, let's press the on button, see what happens. There we go. Press that for on. So that dims it. So that's the lowest dim, that's the lowest it will go. The plus brightens it, obviously. And they're clicking. So that's the brightest it will go. Camera's struggling with that at the moment. So this one, I'm not sure what that does. Oh, that changes the colour, the whiteness, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See your different modes there for the tint.